You might think that a microphone for use with a choir would be the same as any other mic. However, that is not the case. We are fortunate in that we have a member of our family who performs and records with the choir. She spoke of the problems. The size of the choir obviously has an effect. A group of half a dozen is far easier to work with than 50. There are many products available to choose from best choir microphones, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best choir microphones from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Behringer C2 Studio Condenser Microphones. Behringer is a German company that produces a wide range of musical equipment. They are well known for producing some good quality equipment at very attractive prices. This pair of matching mics is another good example of what they do. They include a nice design feature that you don't often see on mics at the price point. We'll go back to that later. Like most Behringer products, these are basic mics designed to get the job done. They are cardioid pattern mics with a low mass diaphragm that gives an excellent frequency response. Since they are condenser mics, they will need phantom power. They have some nice built-in features to reduce any potential noise. Number 2. Rode M5MP Matched Pair Cardioid. Australian manufacturer Rode is well known for producing great mics at a reasonable cost. These are sold as a matched pair, which is very important when it comes to recording something like a choir. The idea behind this is that they can be used over the source. Hanging mics over a choir can then be set at differing angles. This helps to create a wider sound and better stereo array. This, of course, will not only apply to choirs, but to any situation where overhead mics might be useful, such as cymbals over a drum kit or recording a room. The half-inch cardioid design is simple enough. They create very little noise and capture frequency ranges that are suitable for voices as well as instruments. And they can be used on a standard mic stand. They're well made and have a matte black ceramic coating to give them an attractive finish. You also get a mic stand mount and windshields to remove any ambient noise. The frequency range is 20 Hz to 20 kHz. Matching pair with the same specifications. Well made with a very attractive price tag. Number 3. Shure Overhead Cardioid Condenser Microphone. You have decided that you need a mic for your choir, then it is a safe bet that the first company you look at is Shure. After all, they have produced a high-quality mic for just about every occasion, so why not for a choir? This mic is designed to work with ensembles. The 70-16,000 Hz frequency response is designed so that it is perfect for collecting fast transients. This makes it a superb choice to suspend over a choir. This mic is fitted with ComShield technology. It eliminates any unwanted interference from radio frequencies that might just destroy a recording. Outstanding quality. Number 4. AudioTechnica Pro Dot. This is a microphone with a wide variety of uses, but may be especially suitable for a choir. This is another mic that has a special design feature that creates options. And as most recording engineers agree, the more options, the better. If you're looking for a microphone to hang over your choir, this is something to consider. It has a smooth and flat frequency response of 70-16,000 Hz and an SPL of 134 decibels. That equips the mic to handle high volumes. This is a condenser mic with a low mass design diaphragm and a cardioid polar pattern. It has a gooseneck adapter. This allows you to easily direct the mic at the exact point of sound source you wish. It does not need an external power source as it has inbuilt electronics. It also has an attached cable with a length of 25 feet. The non-microphone end is equipped with an XLR, so it can be plugged into your audio interface, preamp, or mixing console. However, if you need a longer cable run than 25 feet, just attach another standard mic cable, XLR, to extend it to however much you need. Number 5. Shure Condenser Microphone. This is a small mic specifically designed for use as an overhead. It will work well in concert halls, as well as theaters or lecture rooms. The build quality is typical Shure. Strong and reliable. It is a condenser mic with microflex and an inline preamp, and it comes with an adapter for the mic stand. It has a gooseneck fitting. That is excellent for getting exactly the right direction and angle for sound capture. It also comes with a 30-foot cable. The design has been created to provide a balanced output without a transformer. This reduces the risk of noise that can sometimes occur when using long microphone cables. They have a negligible level of interference from radio frequencies or any electromagnetic hum. They have a wide frequency range that will accommodate a variety of uses and will produce excellent reproduction in all of them. This takes us to our previous comment about the special design. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.